Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about finding a quality facility before you need one. When I travel about here and there, I speak to a lot of different people when it comes to auto repair facilities. And my recommendation for when you move into a new area, it's a good time to find a facility before you need one. Meaning, you don't want to have a breakdown, be stuck alongside the road, and now you're making decisions on facilities and you've never visited one. I usually tell folks to start out by researching AAA. You can actually go on AAA's website, put in your zip code, and it will pull up all the AAA repair facilities that are approved in the area of that zip code. In doing so, you can make some decisions to go look at a facility, etc. But then take a good look at their reviews, see what's going on about them, ask around. You can go visit the facility, talk to some folks that are in the lobby of the facility. Those are the best people to let you know. They're clients of the people, and most of them have been there for quite a while. Make sure and do your homework. You can also ask other folks that in the area for recommendations, and then check these items. By checking out a quality facility first before you need one, you will save yourself a lot of stress. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.